Hello, welcome you back in this physics video, and in today's video we will learn about of two electromagnetic wave. One it is gamma and second it is X-rays. So over here that how this or from where that gamma rays is produced. So its origin, who have discovered it, and what will be the order of its wavelength, and how we can protect ourselves. Okay, so similarly over there regarding to X-ray and its uses we will discuss. So in exam we are getting the question that it is uh, regarding to its use, and second thing regarding to the wavelength, and the third it is regarding to the frequency. So first over here, gamma rays. So who have discovered gamma rays? So these were discovered by Henry Becquerel and Curie. Okay, so these were the two scientists who have discovered gamma rays. Now, origin of gamma rays, that how they are produced. So we are getting that these are produced from the nuclei of the atoms. So those radioactive substances which we are having, so they are going to produce gamma rays. So as we are having the example of cobalt, its mass number is 60. So it is a radioactive substance, and when its nucleus breaks down, so it gives out gamma rays. Similarly over there, cesium mass number is 137. So it is also radioactive substance which on breaking gives out gamma rays. So therefore origin is nuclei of atoms. Now if we talk about this wavelength, so its wavelength it is that 10 की पावर माइनस ऑफ 14 से कम है, एंड इट इज़ 10 की पावर माइनस ऑफ 10 मीटर. ठीक है, तो ये इन दो लिमिट के बीच में चलता है, लेस देन 10 की पावर माइनस 14 टू दैट 10 की पावर माइनस 10 मीटर, और इधर 10 की पावर माइनस 10 मीटर इन एंगस्ट्रॉम, वी आर मेंशनिंग इट एज 1 एंगस्ट्रॉम टू दिस इज 10 की पावर माइनस ऑफ 4 एंगस्ट्रॉम. ठीक है, if you are getting the question that name the wave which is having its wavelength 1 angstrom, or either it is 0.00 that 1 angstrom, so then you can mention this one, it is gamma rays. Now over here that these gamma rays, if we are going to pass them, so whether they can pass through any body or not, so we are getting that they are the highly energetic. Okay, they have very high frequency, so therefore they can penetrate through these objects or bodies, even though that they are absorbed by our body. So when these gamma rays are absorbed by our body, so they will damage our tissues. Okay, so therefore how we can protect ourselves from these gamma rays. So if we want to protect ourselves, so we need to use those apron. Apron means to say is that clothes. Okay, so we have to use those clothes which is made up of thick layer of lead. Okay, so lead it normally don't allow these gamma rays to pass through them, so therefore we can protect ourselves by using of these thick layers of lead. Now where we are using gamma rays, so we are getting over here that as in chemistry we are going to learn about the molecular structure. Okay, structure of the atom, so that study it is done with the help of gamma rays. Similarly over there, for the treatment of the cancer we are using gamma rays. Okay, so thus we come to know over here that what is gamma ray. So it is highly energetic electromagnetic wave which can penetrate, and it is having the side effect, and we can protect it by using lead aprons, and this also help us for the study. So now let us to look over here, it is the second type of electromagnetic wave, and this is going to be X-rays. So every one of us we are known that whenever there is the bone fracture, so that time we are getting X-rays. Okay, so X-rays that it is used in the diagnostic tool in medicine. तो हॉस्पिटल्स में इसको डायग्नोस्टिक प्रॉपर्टीज के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. सिमिलरली ओवर देयर दैट इट इज़ यूज फॉर द स्टडी ऑफ क्रिस्टल. तो जो क्रिस्टल्स हैं उनकी जो स्ट्रक्चर है उसकी स्टडी के लिए हमारे पास एक्सरेज का यूज़ किया जाता है. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट दैट हु हैव डिस्कवर्ड इट, So it is given by Rockton. Okay, so this is that discover and how they are produced. So we are going to say over here that when those high energetic electron, if we are going to retard them, रिटार्ड कहने का मतलब हो गया वेरी हाई स्पीड से जब मूविंग इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी होती है। अगर इन इलेक्ट्रॉन को हम सडनली इनके मोशन को कम कर देते हैं तो ये रिटार्डेड मोशन हो जाता है। तो इसलिए ये रिटार्ड इनका मोशन हम कैसे कम करते हैं, बाय बम्बार्डिंग इट विद द मेटल टारगेट। तो इसलिए जो रिटार्डेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है वो क्या करेगी, एक्सरेज को प्रोड्यूस करती है। ओके, एंड इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट ऑफ द वेवलेंथ, तो वेवलेंथ जो है इसकी वो 1 नैनोमीटर से 1 पिकोमीटर के बीच में आती है। इट मीन्स टू से दैट इन द एग्जाम वी आर गेटिंग द क्वेश्चन दैट नेम द वेव विच इज हैविंग इट्स वेवलेंथ ऑफ 1 नैनोमीटर, so then you have to directly say that it is x-rays, or either it can be that that ray which is of 0.01 nanometer. Okay, so this could be over there, so then you can reply this is as x-rays. Okay, so over here you will find that we are going to write the two that wavelengths. Okay, so why we are going to two wavelengths, why we are not having that single? Actually these electromagnetic wave do not have their sharp boundary. ठीक है, मतलब कि ऐसा नहीं है कि उनकी डेफिनेट वैल्यूज़ होती हैं। ठीक है, तो ये लॉन्ग रेंज के ऊपर आती हैं, तो इसलिए हमारे पास ये इन रेंज के बीच में ये जो एक्सरेज है वो उनकी वेवलेंथ्स आती हैं। ठीक है, सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टेकन द टू रेंजेस ऑफ दिस x-rays. Okay, so thus over here in today's video we come to know about the uses of gamma rays. So thank you for watching this video.